third speaker from the opposite team, my name is Hassan Ahmed Bali. As per usual, I will link back to what my team has stated and the reasons why we believe that this house should not disband the utilization of AI in assisting student assignments. Okay, the first point that my second speaker has stated is that it motivates students to learn more about AI. And my first speaker stated that we use AI only in assignments and not in exams. And the other point is that it helps students to make their assignments easier and more time efficient. Moving on to my rebuttals against the government team, let me remind you all, we are living in Indonesia, where it's moving towards the digital era. And can you imagine a world where AI is not implemented into our daily lives? Indonesia is advancing to become a digital era, and it's inevitable for AI to come into our daily lives. Now, the second speaker of the government team stated that lazy people can just copy from AI, and they won't do their assignments, and they will be less creative and stop thinking critically. Well, first of all, from your first point, my second speaker has already rebutted against that. But I can also give you another reason why that is not a good argument. Because if people can just copy from AI, isn't it now, wait, if you were to get an assignment in doing a job from a book, how would you do that without AI? You would, of course, look from the book, right? In the end, you will still copy what you found in the book and do the work copying from the book. Now, if you were to do it from AI, you also copy and you also read it. So, the difference is not that much. It only gives more time efficient and does the same job. It makes the student do their assignment and learn about the assignment. Now, the second argument is that it makes the students less creative. Well, let me ask you this. Less creative in what way? Because if students, as my second speaker said, when students use AI, it motivates them to learn more about the world of technology and AI. Now, that would certainly make them more creative, right? In ways of artificial intelligence and in technology where it is very, very needed in our digital era right now. Okay, and the third reason is that it stops them from thinking critically. Well, as I said earlier, it's the same where if you were to work and learn more about technology in this new era, it would make them think critically and better in other ways. And the third speaker also talked about how if you were to look from Google, you would get many misinformation, which is why